Good morning, everybody. I'm decided to do a quick little coffee EDU this morning here. As we know, Hour of Code starts next week. November's ending in December. So I'm going to go over Pyonkee. This is a fun, free app that you can use. It's great for early coding. It's a little bit from scratch and everything. Pyonkee actually allows you to digitally create a digital character similar in Scratch or in Tickle and other coding avenues where I can get the character around. And of course, as you can see, I can move them around with my finger and code. So you have the normal building blocks. You have motion, look, sound, pen, control, sensor operating variables, and the normal stuff. One thing that works great for Pyonkee is it's on all platforms for iOS and Google Play. So I'm going to do this. So I want my buddy here to move about 10 steps, and then I want him to turn 15 degrees. And I'm going to walk him over here, and then I'm going to have him go, I'm going to tap this in. And as you can see, by the controls, it's doing that. So I'm going to put in 30 steps. So I'm going to do that. Put this over. Now what's really cool is you actually can customize your character. You can't do this in a lot of programs. So if I go to costumes here for my sprite, as you can see, I can do different costumes here. So what I do is I go on to it and I hit edit. It'll take a second load. So I have now my little pen tool. So what I can do is I can import my own characters, I can clear them, I can type, I can color. So let's say I do not want that brown and we're doing yellow. I want to go with the red. So I'm going to tap on the red and I'm going to just tap on him. I can do fill. So I'm just making him red here. And I can change his background around a little bit. If I don't like the background like that, I can make it a different color. There we go. If I'm all done, I'm going to hit OK. Everything will reload, and as you can see, it moves with the character. So watch what you do with your background because it can become a problem here where you can do that. Luckily, I can move them around here and get them a little better. So give it a second to load, tap it again. So now, once I have done that, I'm going to go back to my scripts. So I'm going to have him do a thing. So then I'm going to have him point. So he's going to look in that direction, and I'm going to add some looks to it. So he's going to come over, and he's going to say hello. And I'm going to do a sound with that, and basically it's going to be, I'm going to put the pop in here, I'm going to hit the menu. So as you can see, he's doing his hello here. He turns around and upside down and he says hello. And I can change that too if I want to hola, if I want to. See, hello. So if I don't like any of these, I can just get rid of this and start to get in the motion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to redo my script. As you can see, I can do it in any language. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reset this. Having a little problem here. Give me a second. It's not loading correctly. There we go. Give me a second. If worst comes to worst, just close it off and it'll completely reset your tool. And there we go. So I'm going to move Pyonkee over here. I'm going to have him move 10 steps. I'm going to have him say hello. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this sound.
This is Winston to the front office, please.
And then I'm going to find the difference of sensing and have him do that. So now that's all good to go. I'm going to hit the play button and watch this. And there we go. A little simple and the other thing. That's Pyonkee. Give it a try today. It's a free app and you'll have a lot of fun with it.